The Game of Jesus. The King James Bible Decoder. Ebook 4 of 7. Welcome back, spiritual warriors and wisdom seekers. Today, we continue our Lent 2024 special presentation, delving into The Game of Jesus, the King James Bible Decoder. Join me as we embark on a quick but insightful journey through the profound verses of Amos chapter 3 verse 7 in the King James Bible of 1769, focusing on his servants. I'm Rick Yanez, your host from sunny Los Angeles, California, and I'll be your guide as we unlock the secrets within Amos chapter 3 verse 7 and shine a light on his servants. Together, we'll systematically decode his servants step by step, utilizing the calculator, fourth grade math skills, and God's time formula. Remember to subscribe, like, and share The Game of Jesus, the King James Bible Decoder, and learn how to activate God's armor to save your soul. H equals 8. I equals 9. S equals 19. Let's add these numbers. 8 plus 9 plus 19 equals 36. S equals 19. E equals 5. R equals 18. V equals 22. A equals 1. N equals 14. T equals 20. S equals 19. Let's add these numbers. 19 plus 5 plus 18 plus 22 plus 1 plus 14 plus 20 plus 19 equals 118. Let's add these numbers together. 36 plus 118 equals 154. Let's put 154 into time. 1 equals 60 seconds. Plus 54 equals 114. Let's put 114 into time. 1 equals 60 seconds. Plus 14 equals 74. Congratulations on successfully mathematically decoding his servants. Indeed, Jesus has servants. Let's see how it reads within the King James Bible of 1769. Amos chapter 3 verses 6 through 8. Shall a trumpet be blown in the city, and the people not be afraid? Shall there be evil in a city, and the Lord hath not done it? Surely the Lord God will do nothing, but he revealeth his secret. God's original IHS seed. Unto his servants the prophets. Did you know that the Papal Basilica of St. Peter in Vatican City holds historical significance in Christianity? This majestic structure stands as a testament to the words of Jesus found in Matthew chapter 16 verse 18 of the King James Bible. As we witness a time-lapse image of the basilica, let's reflect on Jesus' declaration to Peter, his disciple, affirming him as the foundation of his church. And I say also unto thee, that thou art Peter, and upon this rock I will build my church, and the gates of hell shall not prevail against it. Truly, the Basilica of St. Peter stands as a symbol of enduring faith and divine promise. The lion hath roared. Who will not fear? The Lord God hath spoken. Who can but prophesy? God's true election, indeed, is the embodiment of his divine will. As his chosen ones, we are called to heed his voice, to proclaim his truth, and to stand firm in our faith by activating the whole armor of God, as stated in Ephesians chapter 6 verse 11. With this armor, we are empowered to withstand the schemes of the enemy and to walk boldly in the victory that Christ has secured for us. As promised, the culmination of this revelation will be unveiled at the end of the Lent 2024 special. Stay tuned, and don't miss out. Available exclusively at the Apple Bookstore. Get ebook 4 of 7, The Game of Jesus, the King James Bible Decoder, for only $14.99. Perfect for the whole family, seamlessly sync across all your Apple devices for convenient access, and always carry with you on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and may God richly bless you as you explore the divine mysteries revealed within like never before. See you in the next video.